Alright, so you bought one of these Husqvarna depth gauge tools for your 3/8 chain or whatever chain, and you got it out of the wrapper and you looked at it and you said, how do I use this? It says hard and it says soft. How do I go about using this thing? It took me a little while to figure it out because I was kind of new to this whole thing, but I finally figured it out, folks, so I'm going to show you just briefly here how to do it. I'm using the hardwood side of this depth gauge tool right here. This end goes to the tooth immediately in front of the depth gauge that you're filing. The depth gauge will appear on either the top side of this or the bottom side of this, depending on which side of the chain it's on. So right here I'm going to go under this cutter, and the depth gauge behind it falls to the top, and I'm going to file at an angle. If you file straight on, you're going to get chatter and it'll be harder to file. So file at an angle, either this direction or this direction. I can't go that way because my camera is right in the way here. So I'm going to go to the next cutter, the next depth gauge, hold that in place. See that chatter that you get? So that's why you want to file at an angle. So if I could get around my camera, I would, but I can't. And we're going to file it down until it's flush. And this one, we'll go the opposite way. That. And we'll come back to this one on the other side. And you do that all the way around the chain until you get all of the depth gauges to the same height. And you don't need to do this every time you sharpen the cutters. I probably do it every third sharpening or something like that. Or after you sharpen the chain, you're still just getting powder in your cut and not enough good flakes of wood. So that's when I go ahead and address the depth gauges. All right. The other end of this is for softwood. It creates a larger gap between the top of the cutter and the depth gauge so that you get a deeper cut. You're pulling away more wood. If you try to do that with hardwood, it would be too aggressive and the saw would become dangerous and would pull and snag and stuff like that. So that's how you use the depth gauge tool by Husqvarna. Well, hello friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like. I would really appreciate that. Put a comment down below so I can engage with you down there. And if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you on the channel. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You know the drill. It's all the same on every channel. Folks, I hope you're having a great day. My day's going pretty well here, even though it's cold as you know what here. I'd love to be able to get my little baby chicks outside, but it's just too stinking cold. Hopefully in another week or two we'll be able to make the move outdoors. So we'll see. I'll let you know. All right, that's it for the babbling. Folks, be kind in your neighborhoods, be kind in your families, and most of all, look for somebody, find somebody. I know you know somebody who you just cannot stand. Go up to them and do some kind of act of kindness for them. Buy them a lunch. Give them a ticket to a Super Bowl game next year or something like that. You know, whatever. Just do something nice. How about the Indy 500? That's coming up here in May. Buy them a ticket there. That's pretty kind. While you're at it, why don't you get one for me too? All right, that's all I have. Over and out.